Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to re-roll your account in Wuthering Waves. Now, as of now, it is sadly not possible to actually re-roll your game in Wuthering Waves, but what you can do, this is the only way, is simply deleting your account and start off fresh, or deleting your progress. Now, this will allow you to re-roll the game, and it takes about 30 to 40 minutes to actually get through the whole tutorial stage. So it's up to you if it's worth it. I wouldn't recommend it because there's a lot of upgrades available for free in the game. So if you simply just play the game, you can also upgrade your character to whatever you like, but maybe you'll get lucky with the reroll in the game. And that's it. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more content like this. I hope you have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.